So when we make hot chocolate, we make it in a garbage bag because it makes such a huge recipe. So we needed 2 of these boxes, which each one was 2 pounds each. And we're just going to start dumping it in the garbage bag.
2 ounces of what?
Powdered milk. Yeah, I guess we could have said that. Huh?
Didn't say what it was.
Lots of powdered milk. I went to Sam's Club, decided I wasn't making hot chocolate this year, and this actually tends to last us a couple of years at least, and we give a lot away. And when my kids came home from school, they wanted to know where the homemade hot chocolate was. They didn't want the stuff in the box. So I guess I'll be taking the box to work.
So where's some white and some blue?
I don't know. Must just be the way the 2 different boxes were. They updated packaging. I just don't know which one's updated. So this recipe is one that I found on the internet years and years ago. I don't even know where I found it. It's been in my box, my stash of recipes for so long I couldn't even tell you where to find it, but it starts out with 2 pounds of powdered milk. 4 pounds of powdered milk, not 2. And I found that powdered milk sometimes is getting more and more difficult to come by in large quantities. But Walmart still has these 2-pound boxes. Just not all at once. It's nice back in the day when you just open a box and dump it in. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is throw in 2 pounds of powdered sugar. I think we normally have to mix a little bit with each addition because by the time you're done, it's so huge. Okay, that's that it.
You emptied out the trash from the bottom of this bag, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Or
Second.
I got a new bag.
More fun the other one.
Maybe more fun, but since we give it away, we probably shouldn't share our trash with people we give it away to. That's what I did. Okay, now the next thing it calls for is 22 ounces of creamer, which was way too much. I either got 2 small bottles or 1 great big huge bottle, and we don't use this for anything, so I just got 2 smaller bottles. So this one's 16 ounces, and we'll dump it in. And then I measured out by weight from the second bottle. It's kind of in the top here. I'm just gonna pour everything in there. The rest of it. Now you saw brown in there. That's because there's also quick in there, because it calls for 56 ounces of quick powder, which also is more than the big one comes with. So again, I measured it out by weight, so there is a lot of Nesquik in there. I don't think we've made this in probably, what, 3 years, 4 years? It lasted so long.
Probably.
In fact, I threw away the end of it because it was so old. It's probably good. Okay, and then the last thing it calls for is 13 ounces of malted milk, which is actually the container size. That's stuck. Okay, that's it.
Trash bag's strong enough.
I've never had one break. These are better trash bags than the old ones I used to use. Don't stick your finger through it. That's what I would do. Styrofoam. Stick my finger right through the cup. And the last thing it calls for is a couple big...
You just said the other was the
Well, I
last
forgot. It does call for a big bag, a couple big bags of marshmallows, but we don't put them in. We did that the first year we did, and they all got hard. And we just figure if we want marshmallows, we add it in the cup. That's it. It's done. We'll get it put out
You
in
just said the
containers.
last thing it called for.
Yeah, but I said we're not doing it
Oh.
because we don't like it.
Okay, whatever you say.
That would be nicer. I'll throw it at you. Okay, so I just have to get it.
You wouldn't do that because you didn't want to clean it up. So.
That's true. Especially since I just cleaned the kitchen tonight. Okay, get it mixed up into containers, and we've got hot chocolate for us and the neighbors for the next year and a half.
Just snip off the corner.
Yeah, but I gotta dry them first.
And you can't reuse the bags.
Right, and I do. I use it as a garbage bag later.
What it was before.
Yeah, go figure. You're live.
So this is the total amount made. 4 containers, different sizes, different purposes.
This one's going to work. I bet the kids claim this one to take back to college with them.
It's going to be fun. They live in separate dorms. So.
Well, I bet they can figure it out if they really want it. Put them in Ziploc bags or something. So that's why it's mixed in a garbage bag, because it makes so much. So thanks for watching.